The United Kingdom is currently grappling with its worst riots in 13 years after anti-immigration protests erupted across the Britain. Dozens of protests have been taking place across the country, and law enforcement agencies are facing difficulties in controlling the protesters, leading to law and order disruptions. While the protests originally erupted in response to a mass stabbing that killed 3 young girls in Southport, if looked at a larger picture, the protesters are showcasing their frustrations over the extreme rise of immigration that has stained the nation. The demonstrators also have gathered the support for the anti-immigrant protests, raising alarms among law enforcement agencies through phrases such as "enough is enough," "save our kids," and "stop the boats." Dozens of protesters have been arrested by the police for unruly behavior across the UK cities, while British PM Keir Starmer described the protests as pure violence. The violence, one of Britain's worst in years, has led to hundreds of arrests as the government pledges that the rioters will feel the full force of law after hurling bricks and other projectiles at police, looting shops and attacking hotels used to house asylum seekers. Illegal immigration staining UK. Though the current protests that have erupted are over the mass stabbing of students at a dance class, the agitators are showcasing their frustration over long simmering tensions due to stark rise in immigration and the growing number of migrants who have entered the country illegally by crossing English Channel in inflatable boats. These concerns also became a central issue during the British elections last month, with Starmer promising to stop the boats by deporting illegal immigrants to Rwanda. However, soon after he won the elections, he abruptly ended the Rwanda policy initiated by former PM Rishi Sunak. Nonetheless, he did promise to reduce immigration by working with other European nations and speeding up the removal of failed asylum seekers. Several videos have gone viral of the protests, with videos of Islamist mosques shouting "Allahu Akbar" went viral on social media. Another video showed a mob of young Muslim men attacking a lone protester in Middlesbrough, kicking and punching him repeatedly. In the meanwhile, a social media handle ViceGrad24 reported that the UK government has confirmed that the Jewish synagogues and Christian churches would not receive any emergency security support during the riots, whereas the Home Secretary of Britain announced emergency security for all the mosques in the UK. The combination of the rise of the right-wing populism and the increased number of displaced people arriving in Western countries has resulted in a growing anti-migrant sentiment throughout many Western countries. The United Kingdom is one such example, as approximately 52% of British citizens believe that immigration levels should be reduced, and 37% of people believe that the arrival of asylum seekers should be made more difficult. As of 10 July, 14,058 people had crossed the channel in 2024, above the numbers for the same period in the previous 4 years. In 2023, as a whole, 29,437 people came to the UK this way.